Good morning.
처음에 제가 중요하게 생각하는 것은 퍼포먼스의 퀄리티라고 생각하고 있고, 그리고 이제 저희 트레이너 학생들은 아이돌이 되기 위해서 노력을 하고 있어요.
Marami pa akong dapat i-improve, like mag-improve sa second down.
What do you miss back home in Korea?
I miss family and friends
Is there anything else?
and Korea fan.
Korea.
What I really noticed about those alphabets is that those alphabets look a lot like images. So that's how we kind of learn how to kind of visualize them.
Okay, so let's play a game together. So we're gonna match English words to Korean words in Hangul.
Tutunan ko po is yung sa part ng dark circle po na maglagay ng concealer. Yun po. Skin prep muna bago maglagay po ng cosmetic products.
So moisturizer is essentially to hydrate and balance the skin's pH level. And it's also to protect your skin.
자기 머리 두상이라고 하거든요. 두상을 눌러봤을 때
Masasabi ko po dun sa hairstyle niya is very natural po and bagay na bagay po sa mukha niya.
So that was something that really oh, is this what idols go through every single day?
Does everyone here have confidence?
I feel like nervous and excited at the same time because I think it's very, very new to me as how to walk as a K-pop idol. And then Horizon members, they show me how, they give us advice how to do walk.
Hi Dreamers! Kamusta? Okay, so my name is Tad and I'm the leader of New Eve, your seniors. So, meron ba kayong napapansing kakaiba? Meron? Okay, so, that's right, we have two new groups, Team Elo and Team Kylo. Congrats guys! Okay, so last time, the remaining Dreamers with no groups had a meeting to divide themselves into two groups. They also chose their leaders, which is why Elo and Kylo are here. Congrats, guys!
Siguro, nakikita ko mag-lead is ikaw, Kuya Elo, and si Bren kasi nakikita ko talaga na meron kayong background when it comes to sing and dance, ganun, and kung paano mag-work yung K-pop, ganun.
For me, I think Kuya Kylo and Kuya Elo.
taas mo na yung kay Elo.
Raise your hand. Bilangin niya yung
If you want to be Elo.
May 2 times ka na pwedeng bumoto.
Sino gusto maging leader sa
Kay Bren ka.
Pwedeng dalawa boto?
Oh yes, but boto, dalawa. Ilan? Kay Kylo.
Kay Kylo. 5, 6, 7, 9.
Kylo and Elo. Kylo and Elo.
So, next guys is...
Ay, sabihin natin kung anong pwede natin gawin sa branding, anong kaya natin i-handle para ma-abilis na. So, Mission 1, very cute. Level test, maangas, cool. And napag-aralan ko na yung mga genre. So kahit anong ipagsak, kaya ko siya. Tapos, cutesy siguro. Cutesy, sexy, cool. Kaya ko siya.
Parang majority, marami nag-vote sa akin. So basically, ang gagawin ko lang is, parang ako yung recruiter.
Mga dancer dito sa harap, mga feeling ni dancer kayo dito sa harap, or like may skill sa dancing dito sa harap.
All around.
All around.
Bato, pick.
Okay, sa akin si Rob.
Wow.
Rob.
Kali.
Kai.
Yei.
Astil.
Secondary.
Delord.
Kira. Perfect. Okay ako.
Fighting! May group na tayo! Group 7 na!
As Leader New Vinci mentioned last time, your next group task is to create a music video. Naku, parang magiging mahirap na mission to ah. Excited na ba kayo malaman yung mechanics?
Yes!
Okay, but before that, alam ko curious kayo kung anong songs yung ipa-perform nyo for this mission. Kasi curious din ako, hindi ko din alam eh. Sabay-sabay nating malalaman kapag na-reveal ko na mamaya sa board. Ready na ba kayo guys?
Yes!
I love the energy. So, with that, meron ba kayong mga hula for the next songs? Can you guys give me some songs? Francis, how about you?
Wala po.
Wala? How about Zo?
Wala rin po akong idea. Wala rin po akong idea.
Walang idea. I'm gonna give you a clue. Itong mga song na to, alam na alam ninyo.
Alam na alam.
I'm sure yung iba dito, na-perform na rin yung song na to.
Level test.
16 ulit. 16?
Okay, alam ko excited na kayo, so let's not wait any further. I'm gonna reveal the songs very soon. Ready na ba kayo?
Yeah!
Okay, tama na ang hulaan because I'm here to reveal the songs.
Let's go!
Before I show you the songs, let me first explain the mechanics. So listen well, everyone. There are 8 songs you'll see on the board later, and we'll give you a chance to choose among them. But we will do it in a bidding or auction format.
Wala akong pera.
Wala akong pera. Ka bang pera?
Medyo risky to. Your life depends on this. Okay, meron ba kayong dalang cash? Or cards for this?
Wala.
Meron?
Keycard.
ID card. Hindi, joke lang. Instead of money, the currency we'll use is time. Time is gold for this mission. Mukhang kinakabahan kayo ah. Okay, how? Let me explain. The music video shoot will be a one-take format. That means it will be a continuous shoot just like the trending videos online. During your MV shoot, each group will be given 2 hours. No extensions. You can retake as you wish as long as it's within the hours allotted for your group. Now that will be your currency. Time. Time is gold for this mission. So, if you will bid for a song, 10 minutes will be deducted from your 2 hours. That means, instead of 2 hours, you can only shoot for 1 hour and 50 minutes. If another group bids, another 10 minutes will be deducted, which automatically translates to 1 hour and 40 minutes of shoot, and so on. So paubos ng paubos yung oras na dito, kaya if you really like the song, kailangan yung ilaban talaga. Kahit if it means losing your time for music video. Okay? The song will go to the last bidder. And to bid, just raise your paddle or bid card. If no one outbids the current bidder within 5 seconds, the song will be sold. I hope everything's clear, and are you ready to outbid each other? At para mag-bid, erase nyo lang itong mga paddle na ibibigay ko sa inyo. Ay!
Tatlo lang po yung... Aga mag-bid ko? Ay, ano ba?
Are we all set, dreamers? Yeah! Ready na ba kayo malaman yung mga songs na i-perform nyo for this MV? Yeah! here are the first few songs. By Horizon, Deja Vu by Fluid, Cold by Horizon, and Marionette by Lapidus.
1 hour and 40 minutes.
Beat ko po ng 10 minutes.
Are we all set, Dreamers? Yeah! Ready na ba kayo malaman yung mga songs na ipaperform nyo for this MV? Yeah! Okay, so here are the first few songs. Sumayaw Sumunod by Horizon, Deja Vu by Fluid, Cold by Horizon, and Marionette by Lapidus. And here are the next set of songs. Popo by Momoland, The Day We Meet Again by Fluid, Banana Cha-Cha by Momoland, and Lucky by Horizon. I'm sure familiar kayo sa mga songs na to, and hindi lahat ng song na to ay madali i-perform or gawan ng music video. So I'm wishing you luck, Dreamers. Good luck on picking your next song. Ready na ba kayo, Dreamers? Yeah! Let's go! Ang unang song na pagkakagawan nyo ay Sumayaw Sumunod by Horizon. Meron bang magbibid for Sumayaw Sumunod? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's proceed to the next song. Ang next song na pag-aagawan nyo ay Deja Vu by Fluid. Meron bang magbibid for Deja Vu? Okay, we have Kenshin.
Beat ko po ng 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay, so you have 1 hour and 50 minutes.
1 hour.
Meron pa ba? Kapatid ko lang. Ako mismo nagpo-perform nito, guys. Ilaban nyo na.
Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Go!
5, 4, 3. Okay, we have Dylan.
1 hour and 40 minutes.
3, 2, 1. Okay, so Deja Vu will go to Team Dylan. Congratulations, Dylan. Okay, are you guys ready for the next song?
Yes!
This song ay sobrang cute. This song is Boom Boom by Momoland. Oh, okay, we have Elo, unang nagsaas. For how many minutes, Elo?
1 hour and 50 minutes.
1 hour and 50 minutes. Okay, that's a safe bet. Okay, that's... Meron pa bang hahaba? Okay, Francis.
1 hour and 40 minutes.
1 hour and 40 minutes. Christoph?
1 hour.
1 hour! That's how much your winner is for this song.
Yes.
Tama ba? Okay, Christoph, 1 hour. Meron pa bang lalaban?
Yes.
Kasya ko ba yung 1 hour?
Yes.
Sa tingin mo, kasya ko ba?
I guess. Kaya. Kaya.
Kaya. Okay,
Fighting!
This next song, for sure, suswertihin ang mga pipili nito because it's Lucky Lucky by Horizon. Okay, so for how many minutes?
1 hour 50 minutes.
1 hour and 50 minutes. Okay, meron pa bang lalaban?
Subukan nyo. Subukan nyo. Subukan nyo.
For sure, suswertihin talaga.
Lucky.
Kasi sobrang naging sold out yung fan signing event ng Horizon because of this song. Malay nyo, ito ang maging lucky charm nyo for this competition.
Subukan nyo. Subukan nyo.
Okay, so Lucky belongs to Team Zoe for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Congratulations, Team Zoe. Now time for a little spice because this song is Marionette by Lapidus. It's giving sexy. It's giving hot. It's giving Latina.
1 hour and 50 minutes.
1 hour and 50 minutes. Okay, that's a safe bet. Meron pa bang lalaban? Sobrang alluring nitong song. I'm sure mapaproud yung mga Lapidus sisters natin. 3, 2, 1. So Marionette belongs to Team Zor for 1 hour and 50 minutes. Congratulations, Zor.
Congrats.
Okay. Moving forward, this song ay medyo memorable. Medyo nakaka-reminisce. Because this song is very deep to my heart because one of my members wrote this song. This song is The Day We Meet Again by Fluid. Oh, nice one, Francis. For how many minutes?
1 hour and 50 minutes.
1 hour and 50 minutes. Okay, 1 hour and 50 minutes kayo mag-iiyakan kasi nakakayak yung lyrics. Meron pa bang lalaban? Habang mga mukha nyo, mga hindi
Pwede ba 2 hours muna kami? Pwede ba 2 hours muna kami?
Kailangan damahin nyo talaga yung lyrics. Meron pa bang lalaban for the day we meet again? Okay, the day we meet again belongs to Team Francis. Congratulations, Francis! This next song, sobrang fresh out of the freezer. Because this song is called by Sunbenim's Horizon. It's cold. Meron bang kukuha ng cold? Chill lang to. Okay, Kenshin.
1 hour and 40 minutes.
1 hour and 40 minutes. Wala ka pa namang kalawan ng bawa. Ang taas agad ng beat. Okay, para sure bet. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so cold belongs to Team Kenshin for 1 hour and 40 minutes. This next song, dito nyo mapapakita yung cutesy side nyo. Because it's Banana Cha-Cha by Momoland. The first bidder is Team Elo for how many minutes?
1 hour and 50 minutes.
1 hour and 50 minutes. 1 hour and 50 minutes lang magpapakita.
Bawal naman na kami, bawal na kami. Bawal na kami.
Meron pa bang lalaban for Banana Cha-Cha? 1. Banana Cha-Cha belongs to Team Elo. Okay, since napili na natin lahat ng songs, meron tayong kailangang balikan. Sino dito yung mga wala pang napipiling song? That means Sumayaw Sumunod by Horizon is for Team Kylo. Congratulations!
Let's go!
Ngayong na-finalize na natin yung songs nyo, ready na ba kayo mag-meet with other group members?
Yes!
I'm wishing you luck, trainees, but before I go, gusto ko lang sana kayo bigyan ng konting tips when shooting for a music video. Remember last time, tinuruan kayo ng other members ko and our seniors from Horizon kung paano mag-posing, kung paano magpa-cute. So don't forget to keep those in mind kasi kailangan nyo yun for this music video. Ako personally, napapagod ako during music video kasi it almost takes us like 20 hours, 24 hours just to shoot a music video. But this time, wala pang 2 hours na kailangan nyo nang matapos yung mga music video. Kaya I'm sure this is gonna be a very stressful work for you guys. So don't worry about all of those, ipoprovide namin sila. All you have to do is think carefully, brainstorm with your group mates, and do well. Just have fun.
So do you think our teammates will take it lightly na we only have 1 hour for our shoot?
No, actually, I texted them during the shoot and they're mad.
They don't like it.
They don't like it. They don't like the song and they're also mad that we made 1 hour. I haven't told them yet that we went straight to 1 hour. I feel like they'll get more mad.
Yeah. Sa tingin mo, sino yung parang sasablay sa concept? Parang hindi siya fit?
Feel ko, lahat naman tayo kaya natin mag-adjust. But then, yung gusto kasi ni Seb is cool and sexy.
Cool and sexy, no?
So feel ko magugulat si Seb, but then, kaya naman natin siya i-work and kaya natin siyang pag-practicean.
At magugulat din yung manonood na, si Seb, cute, di ba? Parang...
So parang new twist.
Yeah, new twist siya.
Na dapat nilang abangan.
Ano kaya magiging reaction ng grupo natin?
Di ko pa alam, though di natin nakuha yung target natin na place kahit 5 or 6 sana, no? Pero okay na yung 3 kahit pa paano.
Tsaka mas bagay yung sumunod sa more on may araw pa sa honey. Kasi medyo jolly yung song.
Kasi di pa natin sure kung saan tayo mag-shoot, kung outdoor ba or indoor.
Tsaka lahat tayo mag-shine.
Yeah, ayun ang kailangan natin make sure, lahat tayo mag-shine.
Paano kaya tatanggapin ng mga members natin yung song?
Kaya nga, feel ko kailangan natin silang kausapin. Pero feel ko naman mag-agree sila kasi for the sake of the group din naman yun.
Yeah.
Para din naman sa group natin.
Oo. At saka given the situation na iba-iba yung mahirap din talaga pumili kanina. I feel like 16. And I feel like mapupull off natin siya.
Oo. Kaya yun. Yeah. Nung una, gaslight muna.
Gaslight muna.
Pero ngayon kasi yung vibe, di ba?
Oo, parang... Yeah.
Ito na yun.
Yeah, mag-work siya.
Kuha natin ang number 8.
Number 8? Last din.
Last.
More time for us to
prepare. More time for us.
Ano ba?
Tsaka, marami tayong pwedeng gawin pa dun sa dito. Dahil nga pang 8 tayo, marami pa tayong pwedeng maisip or gawin para sa music video.
More time to relax bago sa actual na shoot, no?
Yes.
Grabe, for sure pressured din mga members natin.
Super. Even though parang sinasabi nila na Avengers team tayo, pero
Hindi tayo pwede magpakampante kasi maybe the others team kasi din, malalakas din kasi, di ba?
So, I think later, try natin mag-isip na tayo ng tamang concept. Or I mean, how can we execute it? Kausapin na rin natin members natin para sa tamang line distribution.
Gustuhan kaya nila yung... Ayun, hindi ko alam kasi, di ba, yung una nating, di ba, kasi nag-meeting tayo, tapos ang gusto natin, parang dark concept yung kunin. Pero, okay naman yung cold kasi second, parang naging una rin kasi natin siyang option, di ba? Parang una nating option is fresh tsaka yung mga cool concept nga. Tapos parang tsaka lang tayo nag-lean nung dark sexy.
Feeling ko naman babagay sa atin yung cold. And naano ko din na new release siya ng Horizon, kaya mas maboom siya. Kaya
medyo nag-guilty ako kasi iniisip ko yung groupmates natin. Alam ko gusto nila talaga more on cute side.
Ako rin. Kaya actually first talaga natin lucky. But then kasi parang ang risky kung kasi akala ko kasi yung pagkakasunod nung song
is
last yung lucky, so parang ayun.
Pag-agawan kasi, tapos maubusan tayo ng oras. Nakakatakot kasi, pinaka nakakatakot dito is yung oras, yung limit ng oras natin. Kasi nag-agawan sila sa lucky, iniisip ko, oras natin mababawasan. So, tinry lang natin yung second choice, pero doon na tayo napunta talaga sa second choice. Which is, na-realize ko, sobrang kakaiba si Deja Vu sa lahat ng kanta na siya lang yung parang cool, sexy, dark na may impactful na kanta.
We have limited time, so we're currently just doing our best na parang makompleto yung set.
So we're actually learning the choreography of Marionette by Lapidus.
So, hello everyone. So today, nandito kami sa studio. We're actually fixing the choreo, the chorus part for our MV shoot. Upcoming na siya sa shooting. Right now, si Coach Hongda, she's teaching our details with the choreo and all the blockings. Tapos, we have limited time. So, we're currently just doing our best na parang makompleto yung steps.
A little bit po, medyo nahirapan po kami kasi po naglilinis po kami ngayon and kailangan po talaga ulit-ulitin yung ibang parts po. Yun po. So, we're actually learning the choreography of Marionette by Lapidus, and this is the signature hand style that we will be using throughout the choreography, which is like this.
So ayan, ang mangyayari ngayon sa amin is, ang gagawin namin ay magpo-focus muna kami sa, first is sa vocals and then kung ano yung mangyayari sa storyline namin. And then, ayun, pag-iisipan din namin kung anong yung mangyayari dun sa red string dance namin kasi yun yung magiging pinaka-main na part dun sa MV namin. And then, kasi ang mangyayari dun sa una namin is like, kailangan magpo-focus lang siya muna dun sa isang person and then, hanggang sa makita na lahat ng members na magkakasama sila. Tapos, ang pinaka-main na gagawin din namin ngayon is, ayun, yung dun sa may red string. Yun lang.
Kasama ka sa piling ko, di ko na wis pang uminday.
So as of now, we're practicing our music video for New Id song. And masasabi ko lang, magugulat kayo sa gagawin namin kasi we can assure you na ibang-iba siya sa other groups na makikita nyo. And we're doing our best to show you guys what we've been working hard on para mapakita namin yung effort namin and yung perseverance namin.
So essentially what we're trying to do right now is we're trying to map out the formations for the first few seconds of the song, in which it will try to display like, okay, we're all together for a bit, and then suddenly we are going to break away and begins Kyo's first line. So then that's just going to follow into our story, each of us are going to have our own separate parts. So each of us are going to have our own separate parts in which we have our lines, have our parts here and there. And then at the end, we'll be connected that brings us all back together. So that's essentially what we're trying to map out right now for the first part, so that connects into the end part of the song.
Araw maghapon hanggang gabi, basta nandito tayo magkasama.
So actually right now, nagpa-practice kami ng aming music video starting from the first scene, yung magiging storyline and context ng magiging music video namin up until to the mga dance steps na dinetails namin with Ocean Sam na tinuruan kami from leveling, details and everything para mas maging maganda. And also the facials, important na pinapractice namin lahat ng facials. And kasama din pala yung dance break.
Sa choreography po kasi kailangan po one take yung pag-take ng music video.
So, nahihirapan po yung team namin kasi po sobrang rush po.
Great! Just feel it, boom, boom.
We just came from our recording of the song, and it was such a pressure to do it because we only had 3 takes to do the whole song, and now we rushed all the way here to GC Studios to do the dance part of our music video. And it's really pressuring because we're the group with the least amount of time to shoot this. We only have 1 hour, and parang napapressure ako because I was there with Christoph and I kind of pushed him to like bid 1 hour. I feel scared that baka di namin magawa. But as things are going right now, I think kaya naman because everybody's pulling their own weight. Everybody's trying their best. Everybody's on board with us. I'm looking really hopeful, and my initial doubts about the song are gone. I'm feeling really confident.
Nanghingi po si Kenshin sa akin ng parang tulong po to parang help him po na mag-lead. Then ako po yung naging in charge sa parang creativity po nung music video po na gagawin namin. So earlier po nagkaroon kami ng vocal recordings, tapos po na okay naman po siya. Tapos mas naging busy po ako ngayon kasi sa choreography po kasi kailangan po one take yung pag-take ng music video. So kailangan perfect po yung blockings even though yung ibang members po is nag-acting, tas may ibang sumasayaw. So kailangan alam po nila kung paano sila, kung saan sila pupwesto after ng pagharap sa kanila ng camera. Kaya mas naging busy po ako ngayon.
For now, we came here for like practice a little mission like beside from while we waiting for mission 2, we came here for practice like our choreo, our like cameras. For it's like personally, I'm struggling with like a little bit of choreo because we have like a lot of angle to memories and a lot of choreo to memory like for a short day, like for 2 days, and we are so like put so very much effort for our mission.
At ngayon din po is medyo strict po yung nangyayari ngayon sa practice po namin ngayon kasi konting araw lang po yung bigay po sa amin para mag-practice. So ngayon po ginagawa po namin yung best namin. So ngayon po, babalik na po ako kasi baka pagalitan po ako ni Coach. Bye-bye po.
Ngayon po yung last na rehearsal po namin para sa music video shoot po namin. And ang song po na napili namin is Banana Cha-Cha by Momoland. So, nahihirapan po yung team namin kasi po sobrang rush po and konti lang po yung time na binigay sa amin para po mag-practice and ma-finalize po lahat po ng needs namin, ng gamit, ng ideas and all.
Rehearsals na po namin sa our date. And super nagka-cramp po kami, but then okay naman po yung team namin. Like meron kami teamwork, nag-share kami ng ideas. And personally, ako po yung na-assign ng team namin as the creative director ng MV namin. So, ako yung nag-conceptualize ng mga pwede namin i-add since one take MV lang po siya. And ayun, so far, medyo nahihirapan po kami sa dance or like sa dance break since need po namin mabilis ng movements and need namin ng really cooperating with each other po. So like, yung pagbigay ng props. So ganun, super hard, but then kaya naman po siya.
So earlier, nag-film kami ng aming recording for our vocals. So yun, medyo stress ako kasi ako yung nakatoka sa vocals. Actually, the day before, sobrang nakaka-stress kasi inisa-isa ko sila lahat. So ako yung nakatoka sa vocals. Si Bren na yung naka-assign sa dancing. Siya na yung inassign ko sa dancing. Siya na yung may stress dyan. And tapos na ako ma-stress kanina sa vocals. So medyo wala ako sa mood kasi yung iba nagasgas na yung boses and medyo nawawala sa timing and may mga konting pasaway pero ayun, nag-give namin yung best namin para mapa-feel sa inyo yung pagka-cute and joyful ng kanta. And I hope sa dancing, ayan, tinutulungan tayo ni Coach Hoshin. Ayan. So sa mata namin, kahapon, okay na siya, very cute. Pero sa mata ni Coach Hoshin, kulang pa siya ng pagka-cute and more joyful. So ayun, malaking help yung sa mata ng mga coaches. Kaya yan.
Hello Dream Keepers! So, since this is the last rehearsal for music video ng Deja po namin, so as you can see guys, medyo talagang struggle po kami. Pero okay lang po kasi kailangan po namin maging maganda yung resulta ng Deja Vu para po sa music video. And actually po super masaya po kasi meron po ako solo part. So may nakikita po kayong ano-ano ko po dyan. So masaya po siya, masaya po ako kasi po magaling po mag-handle po yung leader namin si Dylan. And magaling po magturo po si Ram. So, ayun po. Abangan niyo po kami guys sa Deja Vu na parating na music video.
Hello Dream Keepers! Kakatapos lang namin mag-vocal record kaninang umaga and right now, nagre-rehearse kami para sa aming music video and tinutulungan ko ngayon si Dylan para sa blockings namin sa gagawin naming music video and medyo critical siya since we only have 1 hour and 40 minutes para i-shoot and one take lang talaga namin i-shoot tong music video na to. So, kailangan namin pag-isipan and buuin agad ng mabilis yung gagawin naming blockings and steps para sa music video. And ayun, bye-bye muna Dream Keepers. Babalik na ako.
Hi Dream Keepers! It's me AJ and right now we're practicing. Since morning pa kami nag-practice and we do vocals kanina. Actually, we didn't feel any pressure kasi we're very confident na mapupull po namin yung 1 hour and 40 minutes na binigay pong limited time for us to shoot. I'm so lucky po na sila po yung mga kasama ko, sila po yung mga groupmate ko kasi super gagaling po nila and isa po itong challenge sa akin kasi kailangan ko rin galingan para mapantayan yung level na kaya nyo nang gawin sa competition na gagawin namin.
And wala naman kaming masyadong naging problem at all kasi yung all takes na ginawa namin is na perfect naman namin agad kasi halos one day na rin namin siya pinapractice ng tuloy-tuloy and need talaga namin siya ma-perfect kasi kanta to ng sinbenim namin which is ng Horizon and Lucky pa to which nagbibigay ng mga jolly and fresh vibes so kailangan talaga namin siya ma-perfect. And when it comes to my contribution naman, sometimes, hindi naman always, pero sometimes, nagbibigay ako ng ideas ko when it comes to our concept deck. Kasi may kailangan kasi kaming ipasa na, which is yung concept deck. Kailangan namin ng storyline, ng cinematography, yung plot, also yung outfits namin and yung mga makeups na kailangan namin gamitan bukas. And ayun, nagbigay lang ako sa kanilang mga ideas and when it comes to practicing them, medyo nag-guide din ako sa ibang members namin na nahihirapan. And
what keeps me in motion? Whoa, can't hide in my emotion. Oh, it's just the hardest. Baby, you're so honest. 모든 게 완벽해.
Earlier today po, after po namin mag-breakfast, nagpunta po kami sa room nila Kuya Renzo to practice our vocals kasi kanina po recording po kami ng vocals po namin for the MV. And I helped them po with their vocals. Ako po nag-vocal warm up po sa kanila kanina. And then, kanina rin po,
bago po kami sumalang sa recording po namin, tinulungan ko rin po sila with their vocals. And confident at may tiwala naman po ako sa mga groupmates ko na kaya po namin ma-pull up tomorrow yung 1 hour and 50 minutes po na MV shooting. So, bye muna Dream Keepers!
Sige na, bye na anak ha. Ingat ka dyan.
Pero pinilit ko walang sumali po dito kasi gusto ko.
Kahit adopted po ako and parang alam niyo po yun, parang they still accept me like parang sarili nilang anak.
Konnichiwa.
Pa. Kumusta pa?
Ay lang, ikaw, kamusta ka na dyan?
Hello, ma. Hello po. Gandang gabi.
Kumusta ka?
Okay lang po. Ito po, nagsisiyakan na kami ni Mommy. Thankful naman po ako kasi na kahit yun nga po, kahit adopted po ako and parang alam niyo po yun, parang they still accept me like parang sarili nilang anak.
Kumusta man ka diha?
Okay lang. Napapagod pero normal lang naman mapagod.
Yang usa man pusik may tabo diha.
Kuhan, gawa to lang may elimination niya. Sa shooting na mo.
足と手でネイルやってるから。
そうですか。わかりました。疲れた。
疲れた。しょうがない。Pangarap mo yan eh.
Yes.
Laban lang.
Opo.
Sorry po alam ko na yung priority niyo is yung school. Alam ko din po priority ko mag-school ka. Pero pinilit ko walang sumali po dito kasi gusto ko matapat na pangarap.
Di ba na? Basta mo na to mo na ako. Framing, nga makadaog ka din ha. Tarong nga lagi for meeting.
Yes.
Yes, oh. Fight na yun. Laban.
Lisod kay training diri po ay taga-adlaw.
Hindi lang, hindi ko alam mayo bro. Ayaw lang kakuha sa may tabo dag. Di ka mag-successful. Okay na, importante nakakuha ka. Sa kuilag pa dayon. Pinakadaog na to. Anak kita, susuportahan kita 1,000% pa. Nandiyan lang ako lagi sa'yo. Ang punto ko lang, gusto ko malaan mo sa sarili mo kung ano talaga ang priority mo.
So yung tinawagan ko po is my mother po. Nagkamustahan lang po kami. Tinanong niya po ako kung ano po yung nararamdaman ko.
Alam ko, hindi lahat ng tao mag-iblis mo. Hindi lahat ng tao matutuwa sa'yo. Hindi lahat ng tao gusto ka. Pero lagi pa rin naman try na sana makita yung word mo. Makita kung gaano ka buon. Paano makikita din nila yun? Kami is support to this permanente. Great. Diba? Si Mami, gimingaw na siya og luto sa imong sinigang.
Sige man na siya reklamo sa ako.
And then, special kayo nga. Special laundry para sa imo ba?
Love you, ma.
Sige na, bye na anak ha. Ingat ka dyan. Laging maging mabait. Baba. Ha? Mag-anak siya. Grabe mag-pray, okay?
Lalaban ako hanggang dulo para sa'yo ba? I love you.
Now's the time, guys. We're gonna take the video for our cover song, Boom Boom.
Ang kalaban po kasi dito is yung time and yung, lalo na po yung init. Kasi syempre, ang aga po namin nag-prepare and yung makeup po namin medyo nagme-melt na.
I think for that contrast, we will pick yung kulay red po. Tapos yung kulay white po na plushie since very cute siya. Tapos makikita din po yung difference sa concept namin.
Tingin ko kasi dito babagay yung concept namin, which is parang, ang concept kasi namin is like dark, sexy, and cool concept.
thank you kasi hindi mo ako pinabayaan. I also want to say sorry kung hindi ko na pa-feel sa'yo na na-appreciate kita.